Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the realm of our physical world? What if there was a way to tap into a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe around us? Welcome to a discussion about the spiritual journey, a path that may lead to profound personal growth and self-discovery. Step 1. Start with self-reflection. It all begins by turning inwards, by asking yourself deep and meaningful questions. Who am I? Why am I here? What is my purpose? The answers may not come easily, but the questioning itself is a crucial part of the process. Step 2. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the ability to be fully present in the moment. It's about acknowledging thoughts and feelings without judgment. This practice can help clear the mind and open the heart, creating a fertile ground for spiritual growth. Step 3. Seek knowledge. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch documentaries. There's a wealth of spiritual wisdom available at our fingertips. Remember, though, that knowledge is just a tool. It's how you use it that matters. Step 4. Connect with nature. There's a certain spirituality inherent in the natural world. The rhythm of the ocean waves, the whisper of the wind through the trees, the vastness of the night sky. These experiences can provide a sense of connection to something greater than ourselves. Step 5. Cultivate compassion. Compassion for others, for the world, and importantly for oneself, lies at the heart of many spiritual traditions. It's about recognizing the shared humanity in all of us and acting with kindness and understanding. Step 6. Be patient. The spiritual journey is not a destination, but a continuous process. There will be challenges and setbacks, but remember, it's all part of the journey. To recap, starting a spiritual journey involves self-reflection, practicing mindfulness, seeking knowledge, connecting with nature, cultivating compassion, and being patient. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to embark on this journey. It's a deeply personal process, unique to each individual. So dare to explore, dare to question, and dare to grow. In the grand scheme of things, we are all just travelers, wandering through the vast expanse of existence, seeking understanding, seeking connection, seeking ourselves. So why not start that journey today? After all, the longest journey begins with a single step.